Do you have Asian side hair that is sticking out? In this video, I will be showing you how you can overcome this by getting a 2-block haircut. So right now you can see that my side hair is sticking out, so it's time that I cut my own hair. And the best way I can do this is by simply cutting my hair in front of a mirror. So right now I'm using the 360 mirror that I got from Barbershop. But essentially you just need a mirror at the front and a mirror at the back so you can see where you're cutting. I'm using clipper number 1 for the sides of my hair. So after cutting, you can see that my Asian porcupine side hair is no longer sticking out, simply because there's no hair to be sticking out from. And for Asian hair, I have found this to be the best solution simply because our hair just grows so fast. So if you want your side hair to be looking okay, what you can do is grow out your top hair like I'm doing right now, more or less like a 2-block haircut or an undercut. And you can thin it by using thinning shears so it's less bulky and less weight on the top of your hair. So now I'm just trimming my fringe off the top hair fringe, making sure it just looks more neat. It doesn't have to be pretty, guys, because after a week or so, your hair will grow out and you have to do it all over again. So yeah, this is the mirror again that I was using. After this, you want to go take a shower and you can blow dry your hair. And you want to do this right after you finish showering simply because you do not want to have that damp smell in your hair. Blow drying your hair right after you shower will also allow your hair to stay in place better. A pro tip is to use the cool setting on your blow dryer to avoid damaging your hair. This is how I usually look when I go outside, and if you want your hair to stay in place a little bit longer, you can use your favorite hair wax or hair gel. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys in terms of your sticking out Asian side hair. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Peace!